Hi, good morning. This is how you can register your account or your policy number to the Manulife app. So download the Manulife app on Google Play Store or App Store. So once you have downloaded it, go to manulifeonline.ph and then on register an account. Then type in the email address, then the phone number, the date of birth, then click I agree. After that, click continue, and then it will prompt you to send an authentication code to your email address or phone number, so you can choose whichever you are comfortable with. And then after you click it, you send OTP. The next thing that you need to do is to set up your password. Just follow the instructions on how to set up, and then you're good to go. And then you can sign in. Thank you.